Welcome to Ridgewood, New Jersey, where we just have completed this total landscape renovation. When we got to this house, there were 3 retaining walls that were fallen down, 2 at the top. On this slope here, there was a large amount of plant material which we disregarded. We leveled the property and are ready to install sod. As you see, our wood retaining walls are doing a great job retaining everything. As we move up the steps, we had planted some liriope, and in the background on the lower wall, we had installed sedum. As you walk around and you come up to the house, you now see 2 ilex that flank the front door. As we continue moving through, you also see the other 2 ilex which flanks the top door. This customer had requested some grasses. As you see, the blue bunny grasses was installed, framed out with boxwoods. As you move through this project, the customer also had an old walkway falling apart. We added new bluestone, which really gave an elegant touch to this house. Flanking the bluestone walkway are boxwoods. As we walk down the path, you can see a crepe myrtle. Behind the crepe myrtle was installed various grasses that grow to about 2 feet tall. Behind them, we have installed green giant arborvitaes. As you walk through, you'll see one large grass which will grow to about 8 to 10 feet. The customer also requested hydrangeas. This is a semi-shady area where the hydrangea will do well. One of the other spots we installed a triangular, looks well too.